Hello everyone and welcome to our Brushbot tutorial. Today we'll be showing you how to make the Brushbot. You will be given the following items: a brush, 2 batteries, 1 battery holder, 1 motor holder, 2 gold fasteners, 4 beads, 2 screws, 1 glue stick, double-sided tape. Some of the items that are not given to you, but you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and electrical tape. We're going to start off with removing the handle from the brush. Now take your brush and mark a line of symmetry going down the middle of the brush. Now take your battery holder and put double-sided tape on the back of it and attach it to the brush. Next, attach the motor to the motor holder and use double-sided tape to attach them. To attach the motor to the brush, put 2 screws on each side of the motor holder. Use your screwdriver to screw them in. Before mounting the motor and the motor holder, keep in mind the motor shaft should be facing out. Make sure each screw goes through the hole of the motor holder and the brush. You did it! You installed your motor. Attach one wire from the motor to the battery holder by twisting them together. Once you've wrapped both wires, wrap electrical tape around these wires. Once you've done that, you'll notice that we still have the other set of wires to work with. As for the other set of wires, for each individual wire, you will connect a gold fastener and then secure it with beads. These wires will be used to switch on or switch off the BrushBot. Don't worry, we're almost there. We're almost finished. Now we're going to insert batteries into the battery holder. When inserting the batteries, keep in mind, match the plus and negative symbols on the batteries to the symbols on the battery holder. If the batteries are not inserted properly, the BrushBot will not work. I think we're all done. Let's try out the BrushBot. Connect the gold fasteners to try it out. Wait a minute, our BrushBot is not working. Don't worry, it's not the end of the The solution is, we must attach the glue stick. Once you've connected the glue stick to the motor shaft, connect the 2 gold fasteners to see if your BrushBot works. Wow, you did it! Congratulations! You have successfully made the BrushBot. Now you must be wondering, how is my BrushBot moving? You may have noticed this, but without the glue stick, the BrushBot was unable to move. This is because the glue stick causes the BrushBot to vibrate. Vibration is what causes our BrushBot to move. It is important that we understand vibration because it is a force that exists regardless of us knowing it is there or not. Here are some examples of vibration in our daily lives. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new BrushBot.